You park your car, run errands, and return to find it gone. Panic sets in. Was it stolen or towed? With no clear information, you waste time searching in frustration. People in Mumbai face similar challenges, which includes there's an uncertainty about vehicle location. No way to instantly track your towed vehicle. Paying fines is a nightmare, long queues, paperwork, and wasted time. Inefficient and lack of communication leaving vehicle owners in confusion. It's a very time-consuming process that turns a small inconvenience into a major headache. But what if there was a smarter way? Introducing Mahatowing, a revolutionary digital solution that makes vehicle towing hassle-free, transparent, and efficient. User can search and track towed vehicle. No more confusion or wasted time. User gets real-time updates, instant SMS alerts when the vehicle is towed including its location. User gets transparency for the fine processes. No hidden charges, no overpricing, just fair, transparent billing. Online payment services for the users using Mahatowing, no paperwork, no waiting in queues. By digitalizing Mumbai's towing services, Mahatowing contributes to SDG 9, building resilient infrastructure for a modern city. By reducing congestion and streamlining vehicle retrieval, we align with SDG 11, making cities more sustainable and efficient. By eliminating corruption in fine collection, we support SDG 16, ensuring fairness and accountability. And by collaborating with RTO, traffic police, and key stakeholders, we achieve SDG 17, working together for a better tomorrow. If a vehicle towed, user will get an instant SMS notification. With just a few taps, user can log into the Mahatowing website and search for their vehicle using the registration number. They can instantly track the vehicle's location and no more standing in queues. Pay fine online and get their vehicle back, quickly and hassle-free.